Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily run real estate comps in Propwire. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to run a comparable for their property. How do you actually go ahead and use Propwire to do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, what we're going to do is that we're going to enter a dummy address or zip code right over here. So this is where you're going to enter your address, city, county, state, or zip code. And then here we're given a list of properties. So I normally sort it by lead type and then click on MLS sold. You can see that our search results have now narrowed down to 403 search results. Now it's important to keep in mind the location of these homes that you're running a comparable for. Homes closer to the freeway might be a bit less, whereas homes outside of the freeway might be a bit more. So keep that in mind as far as you highlighting through these homes that have been sold, as far as we're also where the location of that home is. But to filter even more, I click on this more option and then click on property filters. And then with that, you want to make sure that the property types align with your property. So if it's a single family home, select single family home. If it's a condo or townhouse, you want to make sure that you select condo or townhouse. So for our example, we'll select single family home. And then likewise with the number of bedrooms and number of bathrooms, you want to make sure this aligns closely with your property as well. Now for the building size, I normally go plus or minus 300 square feet with what my property is. So if it's a 2,000 square foot property, we'll set this to 2,300 square feet. Now some people like to filter by lot size and year built, but this honestly depends on your area. If down the street from your property you have homes built in the 1950s, maybe you want to use the year filter as well. But for the lot size, I normally don't filter by lot size, but this is up to you. If I had to make a recommendation, I go like plus or minus 3,000 for the lot size. Next, we're just going to click on save and close, and you can see that we've got 41 search results. So I'll simply just scan through these search results and take note of where the location is and look for any outliers. It's important to keep in mind that if you see an outlier, let's say like this one here, 304 square foot, it's a single family home, individually owned. What I'll do to verify this is I'll actually copy the address and then I'll just Google Maps it to actually take a look at the location virtually. But keep in mind, here's another outlier. So I would copy this one too and see if there's any reason why this is at 282 per square foot. But that is essentially how to easily run real estate comps using Propwire. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.